Many workshops have become quite inefficient. Over the years, they've bought many different machines for different projects, for different jobs, and so they've built up, might have had one machine down one end of the workshop, they'll have another machine at the other corner, another machine in the middle. So the old way of processing flat bar, cutting flat bar, putting holes in flat bar, or even angle, different types of steel. The old way of doing it in a bandsaw, for cutting flat bar, it can take between 2 or 3 minutes to cut a bit of flat bar. Then to go and drill a hole, it can take about a minute to put a 22mm hole in a bit of flat bar, and you've got 4 of those to do. That results in 4 minutes. So if you add up that time, those 3 minutes, and those 4 minutes for putting holes in, the 3 minutes for cutting, the 4 minutes for putting holes in, that there is costing you a lot in labour hours, and that there you could save yourself, probably in a month you could save yourself 2 or 3 days by speeding your process up and becoming more efficient with your machinery and keeping up to date with the latest technology. Why not have all the different functions all in one machine? Here we have the 5-station Morgan Rushworth Steelworker. This here, you can have 2 guys working at this at one time. So if you're looking to cut your plate, you don't need to cut it with a bandsaw, you can shear it. It literally takes between 4 or 5 seconds to shear a plate compared to 3 minutes. To put your holes in your plate, you don't need to drill it, which might take a minute to 2 minutes. You can actually punch it. It can be done in about 5 seconds. How much quicker is this here? Then you might have your square bar you might want to cut. So you don't need to cut it with a bandsaw, you can shear it. You've got your angle. You've then got a notch if you want to take a corner out your plate. And you also get the optional flat bar bending unit, which is very, very handy for bending some of your flat bar or even some of your other bits of steel that you want to put a slight bend in. So with this machine here, how much time could you save yourself if you even take a week or a month? Think of the hours, the labour hours you could actually save yourself by having everything all in one machine, shearing, punching, notching, bending, and then shearing your different types of material.